That was a nice meal. All right. So today we want to talk about how you build an app for your restaurant business or your food and drink business. All right. So some of the things that people go through when they have a food and restaurant business usually is the customer feedback, right? So they rely a lot on Google feedback and things like that. If you have an app, you can send out a notification or something directly to them and let them know. Can they send a feedback to you? So before even they review it on Google, they can send it to you. And within the app, you can set up kind of a way of if they say a bad review, it sends you a notification, it sends you a message to you. If it's a good, if they are happy, then it send them to Google, right? So you can be able to do such things. Um, you can keep the users up to date, whether either with their items, whatever is selling. You can know the high sellers. You can be able to do promotions. You can be able to create a loyalty base for repeat clients. Send them, put them up with a loyalty program. Saves you time and money when you have an online mobile ordering system within the app. The other thing too will be you can be able to analyze high demands, right? Depending, as I will show you, depending on how many people, how like people visiting different screens and your items, which ones are going quicker. And then the best thing is they have quick access to you as a business, all right? And if you have an in-app chat, you can also have an in-app chat directly to the owner so that they can be able to show their grievance and things like that. So and that's another way of reducing the friction and helping your reputation online. If they can get access to the owner quickly, then that would be cool. All right, so um, the other one will be more exposure. So if they have the app on their phone, they always see your app, so that's always in their mind, right? So top of mind sinks in the subconscious mind, like, well, where do I'm gonna eat today? They will see Skip app. Usually, a lot of people have the Skip and Uber app, but when they see your app, they'll be like, "Yeah, this is local. Let me get some food from this guy." All right, or gal. Okay. So as a marketing agency or a business owner, so you can use the DIY apps platform to be able to build such apps, restaurant apps, food and drink apps for your clients or for yourself. So today I'm gonna go through how we can be able to do that, accomplish that with the DIYapps.ca platform. So you go to DIYapps.ca, takes you to this page, and then the first thing you do, you can look at the demo features, the pricing, and then how you can contact us. Click on get started, and then let's go to food and drink category. So you can either start from scratch, or you can be able to um, start from scratch, like pretty much a blank slate, or pick one of the templates that we already built. Click on templates. Right now, as you can see, I love this one. Is nice and beautiful. So you see they have different branches. So different branches will have their different loyalty. That's interesting. And then you have the menu here, right? See their deals, see their main dish. If you have membership, so you can do points, so they can pay you and then bill out the membership like that. I love that. That's really nice. Restaurant reserve a table. So this you can link with another platform. They are using you can book me, and then we can integrate it that way. Okay. Then everything is under one app, so you don't need to rebuild something that you already have. And here they can track their orders. You can have your YouTube stuff, images, recipes, and things like that. You can build your community, doing community chats and gallery. You can see all the best pictures you have for your food. All right, so once that's done, click on Get Started. Put the app name, you select your industry. For this one, it's food and drink. Put your first name, last name, put your website, email, put your password, agree to the terms, and then hit on Get Started. So once you click on Get Started, it should take you to this page. So this is the dashboard. This is the app dashboard where all the magic happens for you to build your app. So I will go do a quick overview. Sorry. So a quick overview here. You have your plugin tutorials, platform tutorials. So if you want to learn more about the platform, you have your product updates. So whenever we have new features or new functionality they're being revamped, you get all that information there. If you want to learn more, you can be able to click on Learn More here. This will take you to our knowledge base. This will take you to our knowledge base and be able to build your app. So we click on how to build your app. Let's see if we have restaurant app. Yes. So you can be able to see how you can read through how you can be able to link things. If you have a digital menu, things like that, loyalty plugin, and also you can also message us. We can also walk you through on it and help you build one. The other piece will be the upgrade button. So if you're ready to publish the app, we have 21 days of free trial. Sometimes you get 7 days with other platforms, but we know the learning curve is really steep if you're doing this by yourself. And then once you are ready, you can click on upgrade. So once you click on upgrade before your expiry, you can be able to upgrade to one of those platforms that we have and be able to use it for different plans and things like that. The other piece will be you can use our coupon code DIYapps 100. This will give you $100 off for the first 6 months and be able to leverage the platform that way and save a little bit of money as you start off. All right, so the other piece I would like to add will be the preview. So this preview button, let's say you're working this up for a client or one of your partners in the restaurant. You can be able to send a link to them. They can be able to access the app via the website. This will be like a PWA version of the app, and they can be able to see the progress of the app. So that's another feature I do love about this platform. They don't have to wait. They can see as the progress goes on. All right, and then language. If you have different languages you speak and you like to see the platform in a different language, so this will change the platform language, but not the app itself. So it's just to help you to develop the platform as you go. So let's see. Let's put this to the test. Let's do French. Okay, let's wait. Let's see. French. What are you gonna do, French? All right. So we see it doesn't really change much. It only changes change that, and they change those. Just change the main text stuff. That's cool. All right. Okay. So let's. Oh, it changed that automatically. So if you close it. All right. So first things first. We go to the home screen. So this is the first screen that people will see when they are on the app. So let's see what they have done here. So welcome. Oh, so this is okay, my bad. So this is using the user profile action folder. So this all this information so all that information will be by default. at the moment. I think we might need to change it here. All right. So welcome to the restaurant. So we can say welcome to DIY apps restaurant. Okay. It's saving. Logged in. So they are logged out. So it will be this one. So if you wanna, okay, there you go. All right. So we can just close that, close that. Okay, so content, design, setting, security, tagging, purchase, analytics, language. So all these tabs here, all that tab, what they do is pretty much they're the same for all the features, all the plugins that we have on the platform. They might be missing one or two, but it will be different. But all it will be different depending on the feature and plugin, but it's all standard. So all the menus that you see here up top. All right, so we just went to the order section. So the order section, this is the order section here. Daily deals, you'll see the daily deals here. So we don't have the text, so we just need to show title and then click on save. So we see the daily deals. Okay. So you have your daily deals. You have your branches. So you have different branches. Let me go back. Let's cancel this. So restaurant branches and VIP rewards. All right. And then for the design, depending on how you want it to look like, you see this one. We have the articles on top. So if we change it to this, it changes. That's pretty much how it looks, but it's not doesn't change the content the way you displayed. Settings, so we can use custom colors if you want to change your colors or just leave the default ones. Security, if you want them to have a login. So right now they can pretty much see what's going on, but if they want to order, they have to at least log in to get an order. User tags, well, what this one is used for is whenever they access different screens, you can be able to tag them and you can be able to use that to send push notification or message different people who have visited different type of screens. In-app purchase, if you want to do in-app purchases, this is where you can set it. You can set it per screen. So when people are accessing different screens, they have to pay. Analytics, so this will be the daily users, people who pretty much, you can see your super fans and things like that, who are to your top users, you can see in detail. But anywhere you see the logs, that means you have to upgrade to be able to see more details. So information is gold, or is it the new oil? I don't know, one of the two. And then the language, not all screens will have the language part, but this one has, and this is why you change the messaging up here. Because right now they're using the user profile action folder for their home screen. Sometimes you have the container folder, which you have shown in the different app templates that we have demonstrated. All right, so the next piece will be my features. So this is where all the features that are being used within the app, they will reside in here. So this one is using a lot, right? That's why it's really beautiful and has a lot of value for clients. And then all these, you can get them. Right now, you see it as a few. You can also duplicate them. You can use it, reuse them, and have it in a different table. So that's how they're achieving these different downtown the branches, right? All right. So yeah, so the marketplace. So the marketplace, this is where all the features and plugins that we have for you to build your app, this is where they are. So depending on your plan, you get access to different features and plugins, features or plugins, to be able to help you develop your app, right? So we have premium, enterprise, and we also have standard. So the standard is just the standard. You still get nice functionality on the standard. And then we have the side menu. So the side menu, this will be the information on the side. So as you can see, they have more information on the home screen, and also they have more on the side menu. So this is where you can get that you can be able to add more stuff on the side menu. They can access more about your stuff. So you have your team. So you remember me talking about contacting your owner. So if you have your team already, so you have the restaurant manager, you can set them up with an in-app chat, right? So here we have the call, but you can add cool stuff here, right? So we say contact, and we can say chat. When you chat with someone, we just have to add, they have to have their account here, but this is how you set up the chat with someone, and you can add, that's how you set up your in-app chat. The nav bar, excuse me. So the nav bar, this will be the bottom portion here, all right? So you have your home, you have your menu, and you have your locations. So the bottom is the quick access. If you have certain, let's say you have coupons and home and menu, you can also add it there so people can access them quickly. That's scrolling, right? So the same thing with action. Action buttons, you can always click on them, you can send them wherever you want to send them, and things like that. And you can always turn this on and off if you don't want it. Intro screens, let's say you have you want to introduce the people to the app. So when they download the app, they'll go through a bunch of intro screens before they access the app. So that's why you can also let them know what they can find in the app and the value you're bringing through the app. So branding, the other portion, you can add your logos here, your loading screen, change your name, your text, whichever text that fits your branding, change your colors here, and you can do a bunch of things just to make the app fit your branding. The other piece on the branding side of things will be the media library. So the media library, this is where all the images that you're using for the app, they will be residing in here. So all the images will be in the media library. Security, this will be a login screen. So as a login screen, you can change it to fit your business branding. So if you want the app sign in, or you have them to use Twitter or Facebook, you can add that. They can also, when they register, you can be able to collect. So the customer registration part, you can be able to collect more data points, what they like, their birthdays and things like that. So they can help you market to them in the future with ease. And then the language, you can always change the language. Those are the buttons and things like that. Terms and conditions. Those are if you have your own custom, but we usually have default ones. In-app purchase. So if you want to do in-app purchases within the app, and as I've shown you on the marketplace, you can pick Shopify. So if you have different merchandise that you want to sell for your restaurant, you can connect it with Shopify and be able to sell your merchandise like that. So if you have credit system, you can use your credit system. So I think they do have let's see what they do for their loyalty. So they're using the loyalty feature. I don't think they have. No, the one you might need to add it separately. All right. So my best push notifications. I love push notifications, right? So you can send them instantly. You can group them. Remember those in-app tags I was talking about. You can be able to send particular notifications to different people who have they have access different parts of your app. All right. And then you can schedule them. You can send a push notification. So whenever they say they come into a restaurant, they get a notification, welcome to the restaurant kind of thing, right? Because you already have that geofence within your restaurant there. Analytics, this will be how many push notifications were sent out, how many people opened it, how many people clicked on the action on the notification, and that gives you like an open rate or pretty much a percentage of how many people have accessed the app, the push notification. And then you have the users. So this is the way you can manage all the users within the app, right? So any person who comes in and logs in, this is where you can see them, see when they logged in, when they created the account, which screens they have visited and things like that. The user tagging throughout the app, this is where you can manage it. Um, Admin role, so if you have people are helping you with the app, so this is where you can help do that. User settings, language settings, abuse reports. If someone is reported not being nice on the app, this is where you can be able to either ban them or pretty much delete them out. Analytics, this will be helpful, knowing how many people downloaded the app and also knowing how many users you have using the app. And it gives you like a monthly chart, as you can see here. So advanced, so for your marketing, for your publishing, your app shares, integration. So this is where all of that will be kind of handled. Some of them will be default, but the permission request, if you're asking permission to access their location, access their to allow them to send you them push notifications and things like that, you can be able to change that language here and things like that. So trying to show you all this. Hopefully it makes sense. You can always message us, email us at hello@DIYapps.ca to be able to show you more. Also brainstorm on how you want to build your app and pretty much guide you. If you don't want us to do it for you, you can always message us and we can help you out. I think I've touched everything anyways. So if you have any questions and things like that, email us and we'll be able to gladly help you. Other than that, it's FriYAY. Enjoy your day and see you on the next one.